In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Qualtrics, a phenomenal tool for anyone in the realm of experience management. Whether you're part of a business, academic institution, or any organization keen on leveraging data-driven insights, Qualtrics could be a game changer. First off, let me give you a brief overview of what Qualtrics is all about. It's a cloud-based experience management platform that's designed to help users collect, analyze, and act on data from customers, employees, and markets. While it's best known for its powerful survey tools, Qualtrics extends its capabilities to several domains, including customer experience, employee engagement, brand research, and product testing. Imagine having a platform where gathering feedback is not just a process, but an opportunity to create meaningful connections and drive strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the core features of Qualtrics that make it such a versatile tool. Starting with the Survey Builder, Qualtrics offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that allows you to create surveys ranging from simple questionnaires to complex surveys with logic, branching, and personalization features. It's all about tailoring your questions to fit your audience. Data collection is seamless with Qualtrics. You can gather responses through various channels like email, links, SMS, QR codes, apps, or even social media. This ensures you meet your audience where they are. Once the data starts pouring in, you'll appreciate the power of advanced analytics in Qualtrics. Picture real-time dashboards, comprehensive statistical analyses, and AI-driven insights at your fingertips, helping you understand and visualize your data like never before. And when it comes to reporting, the platform doesn't disappoint. Automated reports allow you to craft custom reports with appealing charts, graphs, and filtering options to suit your needs. Plus, integrations with major platforms like Salesforce, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and more make Qualtrics even more flexible. Security is a top priority, with enterprise-grade security measures such as HIPAA, GDPR, and SOC 2 compliance. You can rest assured that your data is in safe hands. Qualtrics also excels in different areas of experience management. For customer experience, you can effortlessly collect feedback, measure net promoter scores, and track overall customer satisfaction. On the employee experience front, the platform empowers HR to run surveys, gauge employee engagement, and assess workplace culture. Meanwhile, in product experience, get useful feedback on new product ideas and improvements, while brand experience features allow you to conduct market research and competitor analysis. So, who exactly uses Qualtrics? It's widely utilized by businesses to bolster customer loyalty and refine product development, HR teams to monitor employee satisfaction, universities for academic research and student feedback, and market researchers to conduct comprehensive studies and assess trends. The benefits of using Qualtrics are manifold. It's easy to use with its drag-and-drop interface, enables you to collect feedback across various channels, and provides AI-powered insights for predictive analytics. It's a true time saver with automated workflows and reporting, and is scalable from small teams to large enterprise organizations. If you're wondering how to get started with Qualtrics, it's as simple as visiting their website and signing up or logging in through your organization. Once you're in, creating a new project, be it a survey or a research study, is straightforward. Distribute your survey link, collect responses, and dive into data analysis with the built-in dashboards and export tools. In short, Qualtrics is an all-inclusive experience, management, and survey platform that empowers you to listen, comprehend, and act on data from your most valued sources, your customers, employees, and stakeholders.